Okay guys, we're going to practice mixing secondary colors with oil pastels. So oil pastels are kind of like crayons, but they blend together really nicely, much better than crayons do. And you're going to start with the three primary colors to make your secondary colors, orange, purple, and green. Okay, so what you'll need to do first is set up your side squares here. So we're trying to make orange, so you have to think what two colors make orange, and that would be red and yellow. And if you are not sure, look at your color wheel. Okay, so you don't have to label these. You can just color them in, but you can if you want to. Okay, so you'll get your red oil pastel and color that square in solidly. And then your yellow. You might check and make sure that it's clean. Sometimes the yellow gets kind of dirty from the other colors from blending. All right. Now, I have my two primary colors, and I know I need these two to make orange. So I always like to start with the darker of the two colors. So red is a darker, more powerful color than yellow. And I always start with a very light layer. You don't want to put too much down too quickly because it's harder to take away pastel than it is to add pastel. So start with a light amount of pressure, and then take your yellow and layer over, and you'll start to see some orange appear, but it's not blended really well yet. So you can keep adding light pressure. Now I've got red, add a little bit more red, and then a little bit more yellow. You can even try coloring in circles, and that's going to help blend the two colors together a little bit better. You could even, if you don't mind getting your finger dirty, you can blend like that. Okay, so now we've made our orange and we're done. So now we go on to purple or violet, and we have to think what two primary colors make purple. So it's going to be red again, but now we need blue. So it doesn't really matter which side you put your primary colors on. So then you would color in your red, color in your blue, and use that same layering technique to make your purple. But both of these colors are kind of dark, so it really doesn't matter which one you start with. Just make sure you start with light pressure layers and layer your color a few times to get that right color you're looking for in the middle. Okay?